This video answers how to buy shares of Coca-Cola, the global beverage company behind many soft drinks. Coca-Cola trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KO. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KO to find Coca-Cola listings. Make sure you select the official Coca-Cola entry on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the company name and the KO ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap the Invest or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule the order or show a notice, and if you do not have enough funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes or is scheduled. For the link to eToro and more details, check the description below.